Aywa, bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Been a long time. Oh, shiny.
Yes.
I think this one is number 30. Yeah, I think so. That's nice. Can you see the other side? Thank you. Yan. Ito medyo may ano lang pero that's okay. Kasi ano na talaga yung plastic. That's okay. So ayan. Pinagawa na natin yung ano natin dito, yung dashboard cover. So ito. You know. Wow, almost done. Allah.